Let's talk about this Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner. I like using it because it works great and does a great job. Let me demonstrate the product on this really dirty bathtub. We don't use this tub a lot, so it's been collecting a lot of dirt and grime. To use this product, just spray directly on your dirty spot. Let it sit for a couple of seconds and then just wipe off. It works great on all types of surfaces, including porcelain, glass, and metal. For instance, it did a great job of cleaning that chrome handle and spout. For those really tough areas, you might have to do a couple more sprays. The great thing about this product is that it does not have that cleaning smell. However, since it's still a cleaning product, you should always wear your protective gloves. I love how this product is not abrasive and it's very gentle on your surface. It also doesn't etch or scratch your porcelain or granite countertops. For challenging projects like this, when I start cleaning, I always use disposable towels or rags first. Once the rag becomes filthy, I just toss it in the trash. When you're using cleaning products like this, you should also use water often. When most of the dirt and grime is gone, then that's when I use a microfiber cloth, which brings the shine back in your bathroom. Since the cloth can hold a lot of water, it does a great job of removing the remaining grime on your surface. Make sure to do a complete wipe down the area with water. For this bathroom cleaning project, it only took me about 15 minutes to do the whole job, and the results were amazing. So if you have tough projects like this and don't want to spend a lot of time, then get the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner.